Hey guys, I know this is a late video. Since about 2:30 I've been in and out of Dollar Generals and I got like 300 penny items. Surprise penny list out there, and there's stuff that managers don't even know about that's ringing up for a penny. So that's what we're going to discuss in this video. I want to give a very special thank you and shout out to Christie's Connections. She made a video earlier today about a lot of medication that was pennying out, and I'm like, I'm going to go look. And at this point, a lot of stores had already started clearing, but as the day marched on, I started scanning everything in the clearance section and I found a lot of stuff, including food. So food that was with the Christmas area, and now it's like, there it is. So we're going to show you the UPCs for this. It is trippy when you can get this much stuff. I actually have like 4 or 5 bags that I'm going to be donating to a food bank on Monday because I got so much food. This isn't even half of my haul, but it's just absolutely trippy. And we're just going to take this bite by bite. Usually pennies show up on Tuesday. So the fact that this is a Friday list that's ringing up for a penny at the till, if you want to go first thing Saturday morning, make it happen. I'm going to be heading back out to look for more of this gold, and I'm just really delighted, especially when I can get food to donate. Like, I am like really excited by that. So without further ado, let's get into this. So we have the family size. If you look, it says 2 pound family size. They're in yellow. Penny. This was part of a clearance event, some sort of a glitch last summer, but like penny doesn't get any better than that. And the macaroni is also part of it. And you know how they had a lot of the Christmas food on a side cap, the stuffing, the gravy, all that stuff? And they had this there too. And then all of a sudden today, this is a penny. It wasn't a penny last Tuesday, but it's a penny today, and I will take it. And if your stuff is possibly expired, the cashiers have every right to say we can't sell it to you, just to note that. So especially with a lot of the medication. We have this Clover Valley chili powder, and it's in the hot, a penny as well. Sorry, that's curved, but you can type in the numbers. And then I found a whole bunch of these Louisiana hot sauces. So this is one item I am going to donate, and I think it's going to be a fabulous donation item. And here it is. And I found this like with the Christmas food area, like that little area with the clearance stuff. And then these 5-hour energies, penny, and then even look for them at the front of the store. I found them mixed in with a bunch of stuff. We have pomegranate and grape. Okay, and here are the UPCs for the C4s and the 5-hour energies that I was finding. Look for them at the front of the store. Look for them in clearance. Look for them everywhere. Just in the regular aisle. And then some of the C4 energy drinks, also a penny as well, if you can track those down. Now, this is probably one of my favorite finds. We have a Conair magic wand. This is a $15 curling iron, a penny. This is, if you give big to family, this is a Christmas gift for next year that I got for 1 cent. Lots of the hair products, a penny. The hair care, like anything to get rid of gray hair or hair dye, definitely scan that. We have this gray away, a penny, and I found it in the color dark brown and I think light brown as well. So anything that you're seeing like that, just scan it. You might be shocked what it's ringing up for. Tresemme also has a product that does the same thing. It's called Root Touch Up, and every variation of it from dark black, dark brown, blonde, all of it was ringing up for a cent. Look for it on the sky shelves. This one store I found, I think like 8 of them or something like that. And then the Schwarzkopf, selected Schwarzkopf, a penny, and this brown one, I think this would probably work perfectly for me. Penny, it doesn't get any better than that. And then there were a bunch of Revlon, so like you're really going to have some patience and some time to scan everything in store. But this lady, it's like a strawberry blonde, I think. Very beautiful color, but 1 cent. So these are all items that are going to be no longer carried at Dollar General. So whatever time your store opens up tomorrow, say it's 8 a.m., I would get there right at 8. I'm showing you items, scan them, and penny. We have this Studio Selections, which is a Dollar General brand, a penny, and this is a conditioner. I only found one, but I'm so happy. There was also some sort of tea tree oil shampoo. That was full price. And we have more Dollar General body wash. This is called Delicate Exfoliating, and it's supposed to look like Dove. This does have an expiry date, so mine were like April of this year. So if yours are, they've already expired, they might not sell them to you. That's always the gamble with penny shopping. And then we have this darker one, and also, you guessed it, a penny. So I'm pretty stoked by this. You have no idea. Anything with studio selections in the title of the packaging, scan it. And the final studio selections is this blue body powder. There's also a Dollar General one that looks like Gold Bond in the orange packaging, but that was like, the regular clearance price. But this one, a penny. I was very grateful to find one. Think I was lying again. This is the last studio selections. Is this 5-blade razor refill, a penny. I just couldn't leave it at the store. I mean, it's probably going to work with one of the razors we have at the house. Anything baby, children's toothbrushes, shampoo, conditioner, baby stuff, scan all of it. I found these Orajel kids. It's a little toothbrush and the paste, penny. One of them had actually exploded, the toothpaste. I didn't notice it till I got home. It expires sometime in September. These nursing pads, also a penny. So anything baby wise, baby body wash, anything like that, baby shampoo, this. Look for it, scan it, look for it in the clearance section. For a lot of the medications, if your store has these little containers that they just put things that are loose and tiny, this is where I found the majority of my medication. So this is where you're going to look. And again, if any of it's expired, the cashier has every right to say, hey, we can't sell that to you. But they have to sell you the pennies. It's part of it. So we're just going to go through these. And some of them had expired, but they still went through. I bought some of this with cashiers, some of it at the self-checkout machines, and everything was scanning really good for me. So I was like so excited by that. All these products I'm showing you, they all, I think most of them expire either April or October. It's weird, but this one, June. See, already caught lying again. But yeah, it's just a whole host of products. This is initially what I thought the entire penny list was. But as the day kept marching on, I was getting messages from people like, oh, the spaghetti's part of it and hair dye. And I was like, what? So I was so excited to find what I did. And honestly, I could have kept going all night long, but I just had to call it good after 4 hours of this. This sweet orange absolutely sounds delightful. It's an essential oil. My mom and mother-in-law both use essential oils for with water and then you put it in the air. And I need this desperately, Midol, for my very angry couple of weeks out of the month. Just kidding. You guys be the deciding factor of that. But to get this for a penny is absolutely fantastic. So I haven't had Midol in my stockpile in a while. I was very happy to find one. And this Dayquil Kids, a really good donation to give to the nieces and nephews. It's 6 years plus. And this was, I think, the only Dayquil product that I found. And it expires, I think that says 2025. Good date on that. The Airborne, I think this one expired in December. But keep an eye out. Maybe you'll have better luck than I and find something that isn't expired. So hopefully, if your store is super busy and they just, they haven't gone through this section, maybe you'll hit the payload. And if there's a clearance event and all of this stuff is just thrown into those gray totes, you might hit the mother load again. See this one? June of 25. So that's good for a couple years, those beet supplements. This one I think was really expired. I think it was like last October. And so I don't know. I just grabbed it. I just grabbed everything. I wasn't thinking. And this guy is some sort of energy tablet. It seems a rather interesting product. And a couple stores that I went to, I noticed like managers were out in that clearance section just clearing stuff right away. And then really busy stores, you could hit the mother load and then some. This will leave. We're really happy because this is a product that we use. And I think it's good till the end of the year. So we were really happy to find it. And lots of allergy medications as well. So anything that you can find, allergy, supplements, body washes, baby stuff, scan it all. I would get out there first thing and you might actually hit the mother load. I think most Dollar Generals close around 9 o'clock. So, just to make sure that you're in business probably first thing tomorrow morning. And I wish you guys a lot of luck with this. It's so trippy when you can get this much. I think last November I got a really big haul and today 300 items. I'm just as happy. These two expired in 2023. I don't know why I bought them. I just saw they rang up for a penny. I didn't look at the fine print on the box. So they're both going to be binned because they're really, really old. Can't stress it enough, guys. If you want to take a stab at penny shopping, I showed you what I was finding. You just have to kind of memorize what things look like. Open up that Dollar General app, scan the barcode, and hope and pray that it's a penny. And like I found 300 plus items today. I'm so excited by this. You have no idea. I'll link a video right here how to use the Dollar General app. And good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.